zokal.
99.
Mba jam sou se
Yo,
zokal.
you was doing 99?
Non.
So, mdou,
Mba jam sou se zokal.
Bell, listen.
Why not?
Mdou pa.
Why the fuck
M
not?
just pat, e pa m bagay mwen me fe, but si m de reme fel, m da fel pou li. Sa pa ganye la don. Di pa ganye la don, non si m de reme fel, but m ba reme fel.
So you didn't even kiss it that one time?
Yo, listen.
Non.
Bell,
No, what?
Kide Bell pa. Siso it has to.
Yes, this is what it has to work.
Melissa.
And then some test so much about to.
Mel, ou ba jom konen tou. Ou ba jom konen tou, Mel. Li ka fel vwe, si so bien ka fel vwe. Ou ba jom konen.
Kè je fiche chèche kon sa me zanmi?
Koman jem chèche la? Koman jem chèche la?
Be, ou baka ba go moti kon sa men? Shit.
Koman jem chèche la?
Jo chèche pas wap ba moti.
Ok.
But then again, I'm not surprised. You feel me? I'm not surprised.
They were doing 69 backward.
but I'm not surprised. Coming from you, I'm not surprised.
Nan ki sa m bay manti ya? Nan ki sa m bay manti ya?
That's what I'm trying to understand. Why do you need to? Like, makes no sense.
Mba konen pou ki sa pou m bay manti ya? Kal. M jesu kon sa ou te nek mwen mwen te famou. Nou fe de seri de bagay and that's it. Nou fel. I don't know why wap bay manti ou men.
No phone goodbye, but that was not, it never happened. I just want you to be very honest about that. Because that's some crazy...
Ouvle
That's
son lie detector?
That was some crazy allegation. I mean, if you pay for it, fuck it, yeah.
I don't need to clear my name. You need to clear your name.
Like I said, Bell is not lying. No back one Bell. Nick, back one Bell. So Bell is not lying. You don't know Bell.
So, Carl, o tayo na lekon Luis la?
And Lucy the kiss.
Luchi, kata yung lekon Luamin.
Yo ba kon, non? Yo mwen mwen ka bay manti sou live. Mwen ba konen pou sa pou m bay manti la.
Bell, now, one of you is lying. I'm gonna find the truth.
Man bay manti sou, mba jam bay manti ni sou bobot, mwen ba jam bay manti ni sou tou bouda. Mwen di yo ou kon em nan tou bouda e nou manje boudam. So why pou m bay manti la don la?
Manti, parce mwen do sa jerite ya, sa pa jerite ya. Oui, Bell, oui, mwen pon nou de, yes, mwen manje bobot, but no, I never ate your ass. That's fact. That's fact, my nigga, that's fact.
I'm not gonna keep going back and forth.
Well, if the whole world want to know, if you want the whole world to know, yes, I fuck you in the ass. Yes, I ate your pussy, but I never ate your ass. That's fact.
Hold on.
Lying to people.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's get ourselves together now. We're getting overboard. Okay.
You know what I mean?
You didn't miss nothing, Shad. You know what I mean? Let's keep it real. Okay. We're gonna do it like that. We're gonna switch the subject real quick.
Joe, where
I'm
bagay yo,
uncomfortable
Joe?
with you talking about eating after, man. Like,
Joe, where bagay yo, Joe?
Tô é quase.
Jus konen moun ki ta filme boz avek kal yo 2015, 2014. Nou goute boudam.
God, I'm gonna kill you. You see, I can't make it niggas discuss. But, Carl, we got a long talk to do about it. But anyway, let me show you. Let me finish something.
Ezabi,
So who's telling the truth?
Jobi do shake sa ka fet. Ki sa?
Hey, Melissa, let's get to one brasa. Melissa, nous avons des bouddhas tout. Melissa said, Jobs, Kelly, Ciso. Melissa, let's get to one brasa. I want to do this shit.
Melissa, a pa pou pale ya?
Oh, wow.
Joe Ponzia, do you kiss your grandma with this mouth? That mouth?
Wow.
Lucci, please. Lucci, stop it.
Wow,
Stop it, Lucci.
Stop
it.
Zonzon.
Eu vou fazer question com Bill. Nèg la do pas bay menti sou li kon sa, men. Il va bay menti sou
You know
li,
what?
bay
Li
menti
ki do ba manti ya, ki de la manti la.
They say bad bitches don't like
No,
us, so I don't know.
Li ki belly. Bel ki ka fe ches la. Enough.
Depi lè nou kite a lè sa kal te gen foli fe bab. Jis konen sa, lèm kite a kal lè sa kal fe bab. Toi dlo bobot ki tombe sou figil ki fel pousse.
Avec le bout là.
Dlo moudan dlo bobot.
Yo, vai conta manje babu vai cá louco sabe. Ai, cara, ngela ba fukin sabe. Anyway, man, I'm about the 2020, man. How was 2020 for you, man? Let's switch the conversation.
I mean, let's change it. 2020 was harsh.
Gosh, why?
It was a harsh year.
Why is that?
An pil bagay pase, gen ban bagay pase, gen zami mperdi. Gen moun mperdi mkite yo nan 2020, mpren corona nan 2020.
Open corona.
Oui.
Lage IG.
Oh oui, mais vous n'êtes pas les à l'école, monsieur.
Yo di Francis Fan Live la, nou pale top kaka.
Li ka cheke.
E wa, chéri, sa ka fe.
Hey,
Tout le monde a balancé aujourd'hui.
ya cheke Nicole, e sa.
So, I'm just going to say, for President Zambia. I'm in back on it. For President Zambia.
Billy al cheke.
What happened?
Cheke.
Sa fe mbedi zami ya?
Ye choufe twa.
Une question pour vous, Carl. Non, pas penser question ça. Yo, Mel, can I pose a question, man? Why all your followers worry about us eating, bro? Like, what?
Pase mge trop gason sou Instagram. Mge 76% gason.
Yeah,
e
all of
17
them eat
femme.
ass. Well, not all of them, because I'm one of the followers. Most of them eat ass, bro. All those questions about ass.
Mge
ass,
pil
ass.
gason vwe. Bagay
Nothing
se
to check over.
pop gason.
Nicole, I don't get up cheke. I know Nicole.
It's crazy, bro. It's like all those questions I'm not answering is all about ass and shit. Like, bro, like, can you ask some real shit?
Manje bouda, eske manje... Tout bagay yo se sexual, tout question yon net.
When I keep on then why did you pop coupe calocon?
Me kire el pou.
No, thank you.
Bel chéri, ki se ki sa ita?
Go on, kid, we good look, Coco Sakal. Yo, those comments are crazy. Yo, y'all don't get fucked, man.
Regret say Lance.
Man, Bell, somebody say, what do you do to stay sane? Huh? I don't know. You know what that person means?
Yeah, cause Coolish, they're saying she's cuckoo.
I guess.
Bell.
E ba pou mwen kesyon. Mwen tout kesyon ap le di bel.
Life like pou, nou deja di gas.
Mwen la
Nou do life like pou nou don sa.
Somebody got a real question for you. Why you guys not together no more? Shit
Why
happened.
nou ansam anko? Kalou vle repon ou bi ou ve mwen repon?
No,
I didn't want to eat the Buddha no more.
we grew up. First of all, me and Belle did it like early in our early 20s. I'm 31 now. Okay, so shit happens. People grow up.
Shit with less.
Oui, en verite m pat pre pou relationship kal de bezwen. E sa selman m de ka di m pat pre
Maybe that's it.
pou relasyon. Oui, se just kal te vweman moun ki vwe mature, very, very mature, den bat nan tout maturite sa.
She was gonna Belle de beze rete yon bad bitch.
No, don't say that. Don't disrespect me like that.
Bell and the world to
Eba sa so di la.
No, that's not what I said. Ou te
That's
pre
it.
pou te marye, mwen men bat pre pou m te marye. Sou
Oh,
beze
marye
metel
men,
kon sa.
So back
Sou
to
beze metel kon sa, e kon sa m metel.
back to Caesar's question. Who said I love you first?
Kal.
Sister, I got your back.
Man, Gaga.
Who said I love you first?
I don't remember if I did. I probably, most likely it would be me. To be honest, most likely it would be me.
You are not too. You
Yeah, te ou même qui te dit la vam. Mde dit back tout.
Did you mean it?
Yo, ouais, kalte yon nan pi bon nèg mte dit. Bagay sérieux pas menti. Te
Did
pi bon
you-
pour jusqu'on ya, la toujours été yon nan pi bon nèg mte avec.
Oh, damn.
Mje
That's a
sa
good
pour ça
compliment.
de besoin.
That's a good compliment.
Causes a lover.
You are love everybody. You are love.
Yeah, c'est vrai.
Yeah.
Hey, no, I Kali, when I meet S, no, I bag S la do non, s'il vous plaît.
I thought you always say your shit is
Oh,
closed.
kounya lwa gen esa nou tout an la mte
Perfect. Make up your goddamn mind. Jesus.
Well, thank you. You went too by yourself.
You just wasn't. You wasn't the.
No, I wasn't the greatest.
What?
Hmm?
My shirt is on your Ubay. Huh? They put.
Mba bay de pou
No,
on
we give you a
sentiment.
like them who sing good.
Mba. Utande.
You know me?
Yo, we are putting no my shirt on la. I got a caca, is on. Got a pull
Tout busy going, Bell.
Double question for Bell. Bell, do you remember when you used to slide to the window to go?
Oui, e pi ges ki moun ki te de yok tap ton mwen? Kal.
Wow.
Wow, to buy a car, we.
Damn.
Ambe, e lè sa mda fè tout grap ya mwen yo, oui? Lè mda ve
What
kal.
about when you when Sizzle?
Wow.
Non, si so pa jim vin dem pou mdal nan padi, non?
Really?
E kal ki te menem nan tout kote.
Wow.
Wow.
So Carl, you turn her into a bad girl.
Man.
Ah, you thought you said she turned into a bad girl.
Partner.
Non, mde toujou kon sa va pa.
Kal
Kal te toujouan mwen kon sa. Apre sa m vin, gen de koun ya mwen mwen padi mba mwen al nan club.
Yeah, you over it now.
Calderon
Yes.
to what?
E pa nou pa tou dejoun mwen, e pa pou dem ta vomi nan apatman nan dejoun mwen, Kal. Eske pa la dejoun mwen?
Qu'est-ce que tu dis?
Ou chonje lem te vomi a te a, esten di ki te vin clean vomi a. Eske
Yeah.
oubliye sa?
Sandy.
Is you forgot or
I'm
not?
not even gonna go there.
Is you forgot?
Yeah,
or
lem
not?
te vomi lè sa nou te non padi, lè sa nou tout te rete ansam. Ki moun ki te rete nan kay sa? Yeah,
Oh,
lem te kon fè house.
Wait, keep. Oh, she's talking about Wilmington.
Yeah.
The house party we threw.
What about it?
When she threw up.
What are you trying to say though? I'm confused.
Yeah,
Mdou
when
e
she
nan
threw
pa
up,
dou te
just
joun
threw
mwen.
up.
Pwede ma pa dou te joun mwen.
Oh, I see what you're saying. That's when we first met. Okay, that's what you're saying.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. I recall that.
That's the only thing you recall. Good night.
Mè sa mi James ki
If
te
my
sa nou,
mind serve
James?
me right.
James ki te sa nou?
Remember, I'm just
See if I
asking.
can. We meet this and we this about say même non même.
Wilmington.
Kwa, el lè sa m de resir apre le Sizo Bestine. Li men neg m just apresye an pil.
No, remember
Yeah, Wilmington Kaisa lem get my passion Wilmington back.
So that's a yes for that person.
Yes, baby girl. We been answer that question.
She's late. Let's get this.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we'll do something else. Mon shit. They'll say you will never find
Someone
out.
call you kiss on post man.
I'm back on him. I'm just to clean my shit.
Shit.
No, what? I'm going to do a ensemble and no car flambé.
Quando eu gosto para o negla. Hey, moi marié, belle marié. Hey, bye, moi ma belle. That was like
Mba marye chéri, mba gen menaj, mba gen neg. So pa di marye, please.
season.
Bel go ti toto an le ya.
Si ou men ou gen fam ou marye, di sa, pa di
Eba
moun.
samedi là, moi dis moi marié. But anyways,
Bel go ti toto an le ya.
bagay belle avec moi ça c'est 2014 à 2016, 17 maybe.
It was a long time ago. Before
So-
Bel become Bel.
Yeah.
Oui, avant de...
Before Bel
James,
become famous.
James.
Before Bel become famous.
Bye longtemps. So
Before you didn't need an appointment to talk to Bel. Now you need an appointment to talk to Bel.
What do they
Oh,
know? How do you guys
wow.
know, Bell?
Premier sérieux.
Bell, mas você superstar com ça, non?
Si ka, Bel me question pour. Si kalman do yo ti koye wap bale.
M'bap bal koyen non, but ma bal manje bobot la bouda anko.
Wow.
Yeah, he probably did a good job, buddy. He did a great job.
Yes, il était bon vrai.
Belle.
Carl, est vrai.
Hey,
Ou
Belle.
te bien, ou te font
Belle,
good
oui.
job. Ou te font good job. Et pas menti, m'dou ça plusieurs fois déjà.
They
C'est pas
told
nous
you.
comme tout ça?
He did a good job. He just not okay with the Zoyon part.
Li pas ok avec Zion, but li ok avec manger bobot la. M'pa comprendre.
Yeah, and not
Well.
the Bobot. Just the Zoyons. The Zoyons.
Ou ben, li gen belle bouche vrai. Mesdames ça dit ou gen belle bouche. Yes, bouche ça imagine ou ka fait une série de bagay. Bon bagay. Longe langue ou piyo wekat. Longe langue ou piyo.
Vous avez la belle flamme, vous avez la belle flamme. Vous êtes kangourou, somebody. Jesus.
Hey, mettez IG là, mettez IG parce que je parle là, boy.
Oui, James, talent petit, talent, Carl blessed.
Mettez IG là pour moi. M'ba chercher aucun mot, m'just besoin follow.
Você disse que tem que te